Welcome to Force 13. This update is focusing on a cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal. And is being produced by the Force 13's Australia Oceania team. This is a look at a model wind feature on the Windy website. CO2b was located 16.3 degrees north, 91.0 degrees east, maximum winds 40 knots, minimum central pressure around the 994 millibars. This is the latest NOAA floaters on the system. The Indian Met Office has named this cyclonic storm as MORA, and this is the latest from the Met Office, and you can see the information which is at the top of the screen and is scrolling from the right to left. And from looking at the screen, you can see the flashing red dot. The Met Office updates every 6 hours. This information is available on the Tropical Tidbits website on the system. A look at various models tracks on the system. When viewing models and the tracks, the information does change. The latest from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. The latest image on the system, the tropical cyclone CO2b. Their track chart on the system. This is a look at the system, one model. Track from the JMA on the system. The NCEP GFS and the intensity scale is right hand side of the screen. The Navy's NAFGEM. The UK Met doesn't have it developing into a tropical cyclone. So the UK is the odd one out. Total precipitation for the Indian Ocean region. Now this is another floater from the NOAA, and it has the track. Sea surface temperature is around 31 degrees Celsius. Total precipitation for the Australian continent, taking in part of New Zealand. This is out to the 340-hour mark. GFS model, and as mentioned previously, Tropical Tidbits website. The southeast region. Bureau Meteorology has a sheep graziers warning in place. Central Tableland, Southern Tableland, Southwest Slopes and the Snowy Mountains. That hasn't been updated as yet. We have a marine wind warning in place down there in Victoria. Gale warning is currently in place, East Gippsland coast. An expanded one for tomorrow. We have a marine wind warning Queensland for the Peninsula coast, and expanding out on Tuesday to include the southeast Gulf of Carpentaria and the Cooktown coast. Road weather alert is in place for Adelaide due to fog or low cloud. And that is the Adelaide Hills. Marine wind warning for Tasmania. Far northwest, central north, southwest, central west coast for today. And for tomorrow, Bank Strait, Franklin South and east of the Flinders Island. We also have a bushwalkers alert for the Western and Central Plateau forecast districts. Marine wind warning currently in place for Tuesday, Roper, Groot Island in the Northern Territory. Marine wind warning South Australia for today, lower southeast coast. Marine wind warning for New South Wales, gale warning Eden's Coast, strong wind warning Macquarie Coast, the Hunter, Sydney, Illawarra and Bateman's Coast. And a look at the western region via a NOAA satellite.
You can follow Force 13 on any of our many outlets, the website force13.com and its tracker. Of course, we're on YouTube, you're probably watching us there, but if not, there it is. You can also find us on Facebook, search Force 13, all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, also all in text. You can also add Fool 13 on Skype and add extension 9094 on Discord.